Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. I always tend to want to sing. Sorry, guys. Good morning. This is Donata Joseph from Donata Skinfood, coming to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. And I don't know, I think the allergy season is really acting up on my eyes. It's doing not only a number to this eye, but I'm getting my dark patches under my eye again. So while I'm on live stream, I'm going to show you guys one thing that I do to bring my skin back to life so that it can pop and shine again, because I feel my skin is a little dull. So we're going to do the claws drink, and right after the claws drink, I'm going to show you something very simple you can do to bring life to your skin. So here's cayenne pepper for circulation, and I'm gonna go through this real quick since you are pretty much familiar on how to make this drink. L for half a lemon. This exfoliates your organs. You want to drink this drink 30 minutes before brushing your teeth to protect the enamel of your teeth. I remember when I was younger, I always had irritation with my eyes, especially the right one. And I used to take a lemon and squeeze it in my eyes because that used to actually feel better than the irritation that I have in my eye. I know it sounds crazy, but it used to feel better. So L for exfoliation. A for apple cider vinegar, which stimulates your system and helps to bring things down, get things flowing. And with mine, I'm just gonna do a shot. Oh, here's my shot glass. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon in my shot glass. And never drink it straight, always dilute it with water. Apple cider vinegar. W for water. I have about 8 ounces in here. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or agave. And 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And guys, if you're on this journey with me, keep it simple and just have everything on your counter. And if you notice, all I'm doing is pulling from the back of my counter, so everything stays up here nice and neat, and then the next morning I just jump on here. Good morning. I just jump on here and make the drink, and 1, 2, 3, the drink is done. So that's all you need for your claws drink, which is also a kidney liver flush, and it helps to flush out your system. It gives you energy. It removes toxins. It helps flush out parasites if you have parasites. So this is an amazing drink to drink. Now, to show you how to spice up your skin when it's a little dull, like I feel mine is right now. So today, for my juice that you guys see me post every day, I am gonna make a pineapple juice. So with that being said, I'm trying to remember what I put in here. Cayenne, lemon, apple cider vinegar. I need extra virgin olive. I'm trying to remember what I put in my drink so I don't forget and drink it without all the ingredients. So let me finish up my drink real quick. If not, I will get off a live stream, drink my drink, and not have all the necessary components in my drink. You know, my drink is a little different than the regular drink, so I use diatomaceous earth to kind of cleanse up a little bit more. So that's my drink. You can see the diatomaceous earth and the extra virgin olive oil kind of hanging out at the top, so I'll drink that. So for how to pop your skin, get a pineapple. Cut it up. And for the Haitians that are watching, by the way, happy Independence Day. Today is May 18th. So for the Haitians that are watching that understands this myth, there's a myth in our culture, I don't know if it's in other cultures, that you cannot eat pineapple while you're on your cycle. So for the past, 30 years, I've been listening to that myth. And yesterday I wanted to have a pineapple juice. So I made my pineapple juice from fresh pineapples. And I drank the whole thing and I had no cramping. So I'm here to tell you that maybe that happens to some people, but not all. So for 30 years, I missed out on having pineapples during my cycle. That sucks. Okay, so instead of keep cutting this on live stream, I'm just gonna get a piece of the pineapple, and this is all you need. Good morning. I'm showing how to brighten up your skin when it's looking a little dull. So you take a piece of pineapple. Now, I already washed my face with the pine tar soap. So my face is already clean from the pine tar soap. You never want to do anything to exfoliate without cleansing first. So I washed with the pine tar soap before I got on live. And now I'm going to give myself a little natural chemical peel using the pineapple. So in a circular motion, you put the pineapple on your face. And like I said, I've been feeling that my skin has been dull. It's not as bright and shiny as it is. And it doesn't help that these black patches comes and goes. So I'm still trying to figure out, and I know it has to do with allergies, but it's really getting on my nerve at this point. So go ahead and do this. My face is very funny and very sensitive. Every little thing would trigger dark patches. So for the last, I want to say 2-3 days, maybe 4, I've had dark peely patches right here. You could probably see even the little shadow that's left over from it. So you put the pineapple, it feels very relaxing, so you'll probably tend to keep rubbing it on your face like I am. It may look like I'm rubbing it hard, but I am doing it in a gentle motion. Don't put it over your eyes, but go up under, up under. Now, if I didn't have my shirt on, I would have done my neck also. So go ahead and get your neck. You can actually use this on your whole body. Give yourself a whole nice pineapple exfoliation. So leave this on for no longer than 5 minutes, guys. Please remember the rule. Do not leave it longer than 5 minutes. I'm actually going to leave it on for myself for 2 more minutes. Because what happens is pineapple has bromelain in it, and it eats away at the dead cells on your skin. So within that 5 minutes, it's eating up all the dead cells. You leave it any longer, it's going to start irritating and burning and itching. And you don't want that. So I had a customer that left it on her face for 15 minutes, and it really did some damage. Her face was very irritated, red from the pineapple staying too long. So again, do not leave this on for longer than 5 minutes. Damar, bring me a washcloth, please, so I can get ready to wash this off. Come here. You can put it on your lips too. Exfoliate your lips. Don't miss out on anything. Get the whole benefit from the fruit. And you'll see tomorrow within 2-3 days, my skin is going to be a lot glowier than it has been for the past 2-3 days. Thank you, baby. Actually, I need you right here so you can put the hot water for me so I don't have to get off screen. On the washcloth. Put warm water on the washcloth. So be interactive. Wait, baby, I need to rinse this out once or twice. I can't, one time is not enough. Pat it off your skin. Do not rub it. Do not wipe it. Pat your skin dry. I need 2 things. I need the pineapple and the pine tar soap and the anti-aging serum. If you could get those in my room, please.
I don't know what that is.
If the pine tar soap, Damar, and the anti-aging serum, the little jar that you say you don't like the smell of. Here, in my bathroom. And no, get it from, no.
Bathroom is done.
Damar, go look. You'll see I have another piece. Yes, I know my eyes is irritating me. I don't know what's going on this morning. And the anti-aging serum. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Give me 1 second because I'm actually gonna wash the pineapple off and make sure I get all the residue off my face. With the pineapple, you don't want to leave any residue on your face. It will irritate, it will itch, and it'll be very uncomfortable. So what I like to do, I like to wash it off with the pineapple. And then you'll see me pat down again. Good morning. You'll see me pat down again and then use the anti-aging serum. So 1 second. Just a recap, I did the claws drink, the kidney liver flush already, and now I'm showing you a little simple thing you could do to bring your face back to life if you feel it's being a little, if you feel your skin is a little dull. Like I felt my skin has been a little dull over the last few days. So it could be the detox. It could be because I haven't been drinking enough water, which I am still working on trying to be consistent with that. Guys, it's baby steps. I'm consistent with drinking my juice. I'm consistent with drinking my detox drink, but being consistent of drinking 70 to 80 ounces of water a day, I'm not there yet, and that's probably why my skin has not been popping like I wanted to. So. And then after I do that natural chemical peel, I use the anti-aging serum. If you notice, I only put 5 drops. You don't need more than that. And if I was doing this at night, I would use the jade roller to roll the moisture in the skin. Always, whatever you do, always go in an upward and out motion. You actually give yourself a little lymphatic massage while you're doing it. Try not to get anything in your eyes, especially the pineapple, the pine tar soap. It will burn. So try not to get that in your eyes. For natural products, we don't have any chemicals to put in our soaps to alleviate it burning your eyes. So if you notice you use a natural soap and it burns your eyes because some way, somehow you got a little bit in your eye, it's because we don't use any chemicals to alleviate, what is it? Like you see how they have the no-tear soaps? It's no tears because they use a chemical in the soap to help it not burn your eyes. But if you're using something natural, we don't add chemicals, so just don't get it in your eyes, please. So, as you can see, my face is looking better than when I started. And you'll notice, I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil around my eyes. You'll notice that in the next few days, it'll be nice and supple and glowy. So, pineapple, to bring the pop back to your skin, will be your best friend. Now, the rest of this pineapple, I'm gonna juice it, and I'll show you the juice that I make for today later on in a picture. Okay, guys, hope this was helpful. By the way, the same way that the pineapple has bromelain in it, pumpkin and papaya has bromelain in it also. Now, the only difference is the pineapple and the pumpkin, you could use the middle and the outside to bring that pop and shine back to your face. For the papaya, the best part of that fruit is to use the inside of the peel. The inside of the peel is where they have the most enzymes, and that's the part you want to put on your face. So definitely, if you've never tried that out, treat yourself to a papaya, pineapple, or pumpkin natural exfoliation for your skin. A few announcements. Monday night at 7 p.m. we're going to have part 2 of Detox Your Hair. So join us if you have questions. You want us to answer questions before. Prepare your questions before the live stream. Send your questions via DM so we can prepare the answers for you. And tag a friend, share with your friends on how to detox your hair. And my YouTube videos are being posted every single day. So the YouTube name is Skinfood. And last but not least, to find out what's going on with Skinfood, you can subscribe to my emails. I try to send an email out once a week. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're watching on a replay and you have any questions, DM me. I answer my DM within 24 hours. Feed your skin from the inside out. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.